Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Do you have children with endless amounts of energy? If so, check out this inflatable punching bag from Boxer Point. I have two boys and they absolutely love this toy. It's a great way for them to come down in the basement and get out all that pent up energy. But what I love about it as a mom is it's not just a toy. We also use this as a tool for my oldest, who has ADHD, to calm down. When he gets overwhelmed, physical exertion really helps him get his emotions back down to a normal level. So he'll come down here and use this as a healthy way to feel better. One thing I noticed about this right away is the quality. We've had inflatable punching bags before and they're kind of chintzy. This has really thick PVC material. My kids have not went easy on this thing and it's still standing. As far as setup goes, it's really easy. Don't let the fact that it's inflatable intimidate you. They provide you with a pump. It is a hand pump, but it actually is very efficient in inflating it. So the base of the punching bag you fill with water. So I did that first, then I brought it down in the basement. And then you have two areas where you fill with air. So around the base where you put the water in is one section. And then there's also a place to inflate it at the top. It took me a matter of minutes, really easy. I honestly think any energetic kid is going to love this. You're essentially giving them permission to be really hard on something, and what child is not gonna love that? But that's just my point of view.